Are you wondering which one to use for your landing pages, LeadPages, or Unbounce? You've probably heard a lot about both, but today I'm going to break it down and show you exactly which one might be the best fit for you. Stick around till the end, because I'll reveal an exclusive deal that can help you get started with a better option for your business goals, and I'll also show you a couple of alternatives that might just blow these two out of the water. So let's dive in. First, let's talk about LeadPages. It's an easy-to-use platform designed for creating landing pages without needing a lot of technical knowledge. It's really user-friendly, with a drag-and-drop builder that gets you set up quickly. You can create professional-looking pages in minutes, even if you have no design skills. But here's the catch: while it's great for beginners, it's a bit limited in terms of customization. If you're someone who needs really granular control over your page design, you might find LeadPages a bit too restrictive. Next thing, let's look at Unbounce. Unbounce is often seen as the more advanced option between the two, offering more customization and flexibility. It comes with a drag-and-drop editor as well, but it also provides a ton of customization options, especially if you're working with more complex designs or integrations. It's great if you're running more advanced campaigns and need to test different variants of your landing pages. However, that complexity can also be a downside. If you're new to landing page tools, the learning curve can be steeper. Now, let's talk about pricing. LeadPages is more affordable, with its basic plan starting at a lower price point, making it an appealing choice for small businesses and solopreneurs. But the downside is that the basic plan doesn't come with all the advanced features, so you'll have to upgrade if you want things like A/B testing or additional integrations. Unbounce, on the other hand, is more expensive, but if you need all the advanced features, including better testing, pop-ups, and advanced targeting, it might be worth the investment. The price is something to really consider, depending on your business size and needs. The fourth thing to consider is customer support. LeadPages has pretty good support, with live chat and an extensive knowledge base. However, Unbounce takes it up a notch, offering a more personalized approach, especially if you're on a higher tier plan. With Unbounce, you get priority support, and their team is really good at helping you optimize your campaigns. Now, for the big reveal, based on everything we've discussed, the question isn't just LeadPages versus Unbounce. Which one should you use? It's really about what your goal is. If you need a quick, affordable landing page builder that's easy to use and doesn't require a steep learning curve, LeadPages might be the one for you. However, if you're looking for advanced testing features, more customization, and you're willing to spend a little more, then Unbounce could be a better fit. But here's the thing: there's a better option if you want the best of both worlds. You see, there's a competitor that offers an exclusive extended free trial and provides everything you need for high conversion landing pages without the limitations of either LeadPages or Unbounce. Through our exclusive link, you'll get access to the best free trial available, along with benefits that are not available anywhere else. Plus, we'll also throw in a couple of amazing alternatives that can help you achieve your landing page goals even better. And yes, they have free trials too. So, check out the first link in the description for your exclusive trial and make an informed choice for your business.